Hi friends, this is Prabhakaran and once again I am welcome to you C# tutorial for learning that C#. Okay, so I am started here one of the new concept of hoops concept. Before I am tell about the basic concept of C# for private and public and static and then void methods, and then now I am telling that hoops method. Okay, it is the one of the important for create an application and the implementation of application to next version. Okay, to next version you should implement means by using this method, very important. Okay, so without hoops concept we can't implement any application. Okay, before that many more program using many more language using C and then Podans and then Pascal, like this very so much of language we can using, but in that language we can't implement. Okay, so by whenever using that whenever using that hoops concept, that time only we can implement. Okay, so implement an application and then website, everything, website, application, software, everything we can implement means we should know about that C#. Okay, sorry, hoops concept. Okay, so you know hoops concept means we can possible everything. Okay, now I am tell about that one of that concept of hoops. Okay, now there are part 3 and started for hoops concept. Okay, so this hoops concept to create that library management system and the Pascal POS system. Okay, point of sale system. Okay, like this, by using this method it can possible. Okay, now I am started hoops concept. What is that hoops concept? Hoops concept means it's high level programming. Okay, the programming divided by using level. Okay, what is that? Very low level, medium level, and then high level, and then very high level, like this. It's future level, very high level. Okay, like that. Now I am tell about that very low level. What is that? Very low level. Very low level means that is the 0 1, like this, 0 1 1 0 1 1, like that. We can input given and then output. That is the one of the machine language. Okay, logical gate and gate, like that. That is the one of the very low level language. Okay, what is that low level language? Low level language means that is machine level language. Okay, everything will be there. Machine. What is the machine? You know. Okay, that is machine level language. That is the low level language. Okay, what is that medium level language? Medium level language means before we are using that C and then C++ and then Pascals and programs like that. Every type of this type of software or program language, everything called as middle level language. Okay, now what is the next level language of high level language? High level language means that is that hoops concept. So wherever you are using that hoops concept, that is all are high level language. Okay, and then upcoming also very high level language will become, I don't know about that, but I am telling about this hoops concept. Okay, what is that hoops? Okay, it is the one of that high level language. So it is high level programming, and then it is used for solving real-time problem. Okay, whenever you are run at that real-time run at the time problem occur, we can find out easily. Okay, so human understandable programming, like that I am telling. Okay, so this is, so see next point also, that is human understandable program, that is that solving real-time problem. Okay, so it's easy to understandable programming for by using this method. Oops, human understandable program. This is human understandable program. And then next point, by using this concept we can create application and maintain application. Okay, application or website or anything we can create and then we can maintain also. Okay, next version, upgrade to next version. This is the next point. Okay, and then oops contain given below. What is that oops? Oops contain many more concept. Okay, many more concept contain. And tell about this next. What is that oops concept? See, here contain that class, object, and then abstraction, and then inheritance, interface, encapsulation, polymorphism, and then here also each concept contain each subconcept also. See, object means identity, state, behavior. Class means it's contain also logical entity and then runtime entity, like that calling. Okay, so what is that? I am given here bracket also. In this bracket I am given detail also. Okay, so now I am tell about that class, object, and then abstraction, and inheritance, and then interface, and encapsulation, and polymorphism. These all concept of, see, here 7 concept available. In this 7 concept contain some details. Okay, so what is that class? Class means logical entity. Okay, see, class means logical entity. Logically it's used to in C# program. Okay, and then object without class. I am already tell about this class in before video. Okay, private public. I am using that two private public and static void concept by using this those two concepts. Okay, class first and then class second. So I am tell about this class. What is the class I am telling about in this video? Okay, this class about this class concept I am telling in this video. Okay, okay, now object. What is that object? Object means runtime entity. Okay, it's called as runtime entity. Okay, object contain identity, and then state, and then behavior. Okay, these 3 events contain into the object. Okay, every object contain these 3 events. Okay, see, for example I am telling here what is the object. For example I am telling here identity and state and then behavior for object means I am telling here one. What I am telling, see, here I am telling here water. Okay, I am telling here water. What is that water? Water means water, that is this identity. Okay, water means the name water, that is the name. Okay, water is identity, and then state. What is that? Is liquid. Okay, liquid is state. Okay, behavior. Sorry, state means that is color. Okay, no color to water. Okay, color is not. Okay, so that is the state. Behavior means that is liquid. Okay, like this. See, once again I'm telling that another one best example for and banana. Okay, see, I am telling here banana for object. Okay, banana object. Okay, so banana means that is identity. Okay, banana is a identity. Okay, that is the name, and then identity. Okay, and then state means that is yellow color. Okay, that is state, and then behavior. It is that apple. Okay, that sorry. Behavior means it's a food. Okay, so that is the food. Okay, and another one example means brush. Okay, painting brush. Okay, painting brush is a identity, and then state means it's one stick, and then behavior means it's drawing. Okay, it's do drawing. Okay, like this. This is one of the behavior. So like this, the object contains that 3 event of behavior. Okay, okay. So I am tell about the class and then object. Okay, class means every contained in this class. Okay, everyone contained in this class. Class means for example college class, and then student class, school class. Okay, everything, dance class, and then singing class, everything contains the class. In this class contain, suppose that music class means if instrument will be there, and then teacher will be there, and then student will be there, and then every equipments will be there. Okay, bench, lyrics, and then papers, notes, everything will be in this class. Okay, that is logical entity. Okay, object means that is one of the object in this class contain object. Okay, see, teacher an object, and then instrument an object, and then student an object, and then lyrics, and then everything, that is an object. Okay, makes everything an object. School means chalk piece, students, sticks, books, everything an object. Okay, so that is that object. Okay, now tell about that abstraction. What is an abstraction? Okay, abstraction means in these words contain every words: class, object, abstract, inheritance, interface, encapsulation, polymer. In every words contain every meaning. Okay, see, just I am declared here. Class means that is that student class, like that. Object means that is the identity state, like that. And then abstraction means elimination. What is, see, you find that dictionary. Okay, you find the dictionary, the abstraction words declare an elimination. Okay, abstraction means elimination. What is an elimination? See, we can find, for example, I am telling here, see, if you are one of the you have the friend circle. Okay, you have friend circle. In friend circle, you know about that friends relatives, and then friend father, mother, and then everything you know about the detail. Okay, your details, and then friends means everything you can find out. Okay, and then particularly you are a student means you should declare here student father name, and then when you are birth, and then when you are joining the school, and then which class, and then your address. Okay, like this enough. This is enough. Okay, so we need not your friends details, and then your relative details here. Okay, so your student means here using only particular details only. Okay, you need particular details only need here. Other details we need not, so that is we should eliminate it. Okay, so like this you can eliminate it abstraction. So eliminate abstraction means elimination. What you are need, that one only accepted means that is elimination. Okay, now inheritance is important concept. Okay, inheritance and the interface, this is most important for OOPS concept. This method using we can create many more project. Okay, many more project we can use this, we will use. Okay, now I am tell about that inheritance means it is the method and signature. Okay, so now I am telling here inheritance contain some division of inheritance. Okay, what is that? Single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and then multi-level inheritance, and then some inheritance will be there. Okay, okay, now what is that inheritance? That is method and signature. For example, I am telling here from class to surplus divide means that is that inheritance. I have that first class and then second class. In before video I am show to that one. I am already show that first class, second class, two class will be there. Okay, from first class to second class, that is that what I am telling. Okay, just for example, see, parents and then son or daughter. Okay, parent or son or daughter, parent to child. Okay, parent to child, father to son. Okay, like that. You have that. If you are father means your character also will be there. Your son contain then your character, and then that person of own character also. Okay, so I am if you have father means your father character also will be there, and then your character also will be to you. Okay, so this both character contain to you. Okay, that is that from you can contain you can get that character from in your father to you. Okay, and then individually also you have one character. Okay, so like this you can contain. Okay, okay, so this is that from parent class to subclass. Okay, parent class to subclass we can create. Okay, so that is that inheritance. Okay, and tell about this inheritance concept also. So inheritance and then interface also same like that. Okay, but in interface means it is a one of the important concept. And then what is that inheritance interface means? What is the interface means? Multiple inheritance replaced called interface. Okay, multiple inheritance replaced called interface. Okay, so in this inheritance we can get that interface. Okay, okay, it is one of the important about compared to the inheritance. Okay, interface compared to the compared to inheritance. Okay, okay, interface is important concept. Okay, what is that interface means? It is that I'll tell about this concept in future videos. Okay, next I'm tell about that encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation means it's one of the security. Okay, encapsulation. What is encapsulation? In this name contain the detail. Okay, see, capsulation. What is that capsule? Capsule means that is one tablet. Tablet means this capsule tablet inside have and medicine. Okay, have a medicine. So that medicine secured by using that capsule. Okay, so that is that capsule. Okay, so secured by that the medicine secured by capsule. So that is encapsulation. So we are using here in C# encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation used to the security. Okay, security method. Okay, okay. Now I am going to tell about that polymorphism. What is that polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means behavior, like that. Okay, every words contain that detail. Okay, so multi behavior. Okay, multi behavior means I am a one person. Okay, I am one person, you also one person. Okay, you have some relatives, friends also there, father also there, mother also there, uncle, father-in-law, mother-in-law, every relative you have. To your father you are son, to your friend you are friend, to your uncle you are some relative. Okay, to your teacher you are a student, so to your enemy you are also enemy. Okay, like that different character will be there, but you are only one person. Okay, you are only one person, but you have many relatives. Okay, so that kind of behavior will be there. Okay, to you. So that is that multi-level. You are only, but multi person called to you. Multi what I am telling. Are you understood like that? Okay, so that is like that. Only one person you called as separate words. Okay, so you are one person, separate words using that. Okay, separate relatives. Okay, okay, friends. Now I am tell about that class, object, abstraction, inheritance, interface, encapsulation, polymorphism. So this concept I am tell about in step by step in next video, but in this video I am tell about that class. Okay, what is that class? I am going to tell about this concept. Okay, okay, now I am start that class. Okay, see, I am already first class, this is second class. Okay, so in this class having the two function, and then this is the only one function. So second class contain one function, first class contain two function. This concept I am tell about in before part 2. Okay, part 2 video, in before video. Okay, now I am started here third part of that OOPS concept. So in this OOPS concept I am tell this class. Okay, next I am step by step every concept tell to you. Okay, I will tell to you. Okay, now I started here class. Okay, first class and second class will be here. Okay, now I go to here. In this first class I am declare, I am remove it. First of all I want to remove it. See here, integer tutorial. So this is first function, this is second function. Okay, so this is second function. Okay, now here I am declare tutorial. Okay, tutorial I am called in integer, but this is not integer. Okay, this value I am called to here. See, I am first erase this one also, and then this one also I am erased here. See, this is not a integer. Okay, this is string character. So much of character will be a separate letter will be there. So this is a string. We can't get an integer. Okay, so just I am declare here I means. Okay, that is an integer. See, I am erased it. So this is an integer. Okay, anyone. So this is not, we can't get. So just I am declare here integer. I am declaring single character, means that is integer. Okay, we can't declare in this multi character or multi letters. Okay, so this is string. Okay, now integer here declaring how to return value, set the return value. Okay, if you are declared here, I am set to here integer. I am declaring integer. I am declaring one variable name. Okay, now I am declare that x. Okay, I am declaring x, and then here I am declaring here 10. Okay, 10 I am declared. Okay, next one integer y equal 20. Okay, next one integer z equal x plus y. Have you understood this code? Okay, see, you will be understood. X and y I am added here. Okay, addition to I get in z. Okay, now I am go to declare have an error here. How to remove this error means just I am declare here return z. Like this you can declare, means this error will be not show here. Okay, now here also we want to declare that this type of error will be here, so we should remove this error. Okay, so just I go to any one way like this and declare here, so this error not occur here. Now this is not a integer. Okay, this is a variable, sorry, character. So I am remove this and then I am declare integer. Integer means 0 or 1, any one, that is the integer. Okay, so now I error is. See here that tutorial function will be here, but here having that int like that, but why here showing means just I am tell about this in future, just I am remove it. I am already tell about this private public concept, that is the error here. Okay, so just remove it. Now see, and go to run it with debugging. Okay, now I am going to run it. Now I am given here F10, sorry, we should declare that one important. See, what is the class? I am tell about this concept, right? So just I am without debugging. See, I am declare that this function, tutorial function, teach function, two function in this first class, and then third second class one function, third function. Okay, see, first class contain tutorial function and then teach function, second class contain third function only. Okay, see here I want to call that this into this form. See, in this design form. Okay, so into the design form we want to call in, just I want to go to toolbox. We need toolbox, so just I go to here and declare here one variable label. Okay, so where is that label? Label here, just and drag and drop here. So we find that label clearly. So property window open here. See, in this property window font size will be here. Font size, and go to declare the bold color. See here, open that font window and declare bold, and then here size also will be here 24 like that, and declare 2. Okay, 22. So here label is here. Okay, so just go to change that label name also. Label to change that welcome to class. Welcome to oops concept. Oops concept of concept. Okay, just time declare that word concept. Okay, welcome to oops concept, like this I am showed here. Okay, now I am declare this where label name. Okay, this label name I am declare into the see, what is that label name? Label ID, we should know about that. Label 1, see, label 1 here. Okay, label 1. So this is label 1 ID. See, here also will be here name is here label 1. Okay, that is that ID. Okay, okay, now I am go to here. See, I am declared this integer value of tutorial and then integer value of teach. In this integer value I am declared that this function. Okay, so this function of class 1, how to call to this form, this place. Okay, see here result will be 10 and 20 added to z. In this z we can get that 30. Okay, so we will get the 30 in this label. How to get? Okay, see, now I am go to here declare in this form load event. Whenever the form load at the time we get the result. Okay, so just I am go to declared in this form load event. Just W this form, we can get that form load event. In this form load event I am declared that one class name. What is that class name? See, this function contain in this first class. Okay, the class of first. Okay, so this, what is the class name? First. So the class name I am declared here. Class name first. Okay, first, and then I am declared the class object name. So object I am declared here, object or variable, anyone you can call. I am declared that variable name here. So I am declared any variable name, Xerox or Xerox, anyone. The class of Xerox. See, first class of Xerox we need. So just I am declare here. Okay, the copy, the first class copy we should need. So that is that I am declared here. Okay, so XX or Xerox. Xerox copy of first class. Okay, equal to new first class, like this we can declare This is syntax for C# to calling that any class or object. We get that by using this syntax. Okay, and then this class I am called to in this xerox copy of object name. So in this xerox copy object, we should declare that integer value. First of all, we should declare that integer value, and call in one object name. Okay, integer and call to in one object name. So integer and get that end or anything, just and declare here SS. Okay, any object name what you need, that one declare. That is your voice. And then this xerox called here, and then dot. Now see, and this class name I'm called to here. Okay, so this first class I'm called to this object. So this object I am get to declare in this integer I am declaring SS. So this call to here means automatically is inserted into the SS variable name of integer. Okay, so just I am going to declare here dot. See the tutorial, see this tutorial function came here. Okay, first class of tutorial function came to in this place. First class of where object name declare here. So this first class came here. This object I am get to in this place. Okay, this object, first class of object I am get to this tutorial function. Okay, so just enter and then like this. Okay, now I am going to declare that label name. What is that label? Label 1. Okay, label 1. Welcome to like this. This is label 1. See, this is label 1. Okay, so in this label 1 we find out that result. So label 1 dot text equal the integer. So and get that result, the first one class of tutorial function I get into the integer object of SSS. So SSS I am declared here. SSS I am finished here means it will be error. Okay, why means this is integer. Okay, we should change it to the string. Okay, so string means dot to string, just to declare the to string. Okay, so like this you can declare means this function created. Okay, now save it. Now it's run means the result will be get 10 and 20 get to the z, x plus y equals z, the form 30. Okay, so welcome to OOPS concept declared in first label before run before. Now I am declare get that 30. Okay, now just I am go to C. I am changing here 50. Okay, 50 and then 20 equals 70. Okay, x plus y, 50 20 getting z return. Okay, so now I am going to declare in this SSS label 1. So just I am go to 70 we should get. Okay, we will get 70. So 70 came. Okay, like this. So this is the class. So what is that class means? I am go to second class also. See here second class having here. Okay, here second class is there. In this second class, second class also here, first class also here. Here in this first class contain that first one function and then second one function. This first function I am show to in this run mode event. See 70 we should get in this run mode event. Okay, and then second one I am declared here one integer event int am declare here variable name s equal the text. See this function of tutorial I am called to here. Okay, just I am declared here tutorial function I am called to here. Okay, and then return here what I am declaring that. Okay, I am declaring here that we need not this z. Okay, so we need result. Okay, return that result means result in label. Okay, control C and then go to control C and control V. Sorry, triple S, control C and then control V. Okay, see integer s I am called in s. This tutorial function I am called to in this integer, so this is should be public. Control C and control V. Okay, it's also will be function public. Okay, now this tutorial function I am called to this integer variable name. In this integer variable name I am declaring return ss. Okay, so this function also called to the first class. So this first class I am called to here, but I am declared here declared tutorial function, but I am going to declare here dot second function of teach. Okay, control S. See this second function, first function I am called to this tutorial function I am called to teach function. Okay, this function I am called to teach function. This teach function I am declared in this place, so directly this first function I am called to in this function. So just 50 and then I am declared here teach, not a tutorial. So this tutorial function we need not here. Okay, we should not show on the run mode even, but I am called to this tutorial function here. So this whenever you run this program, at the time this teach function get this first function of tutorial and then declare in this place. Okay, so we should find out this. Just I am going to run it. C70. Okay, just I am going to change this. Okay, see I am going to here. Just I am going to change here 100. Okay, now 100 plus 20, 120 or 100 plus 200. Just I am declared that 100 to 200. Now I am going to run it. It's automatically contained that 300. See 300. Okay, so like this you can declare that, call that class and then function everything. So this is first class and then this is second class. So this first class and second class contain that like this. Okay, so this first class how to call whenever declare that function in this class. See already I am told to you class means object and then sticks. See for example I am telling suppose the music class means teacher, student, instrument. Okay, equipment of instrument and then books, everything will be bench, windows, everything will be there. Okay, suppose school means that in this school contain the class. In this class student and then teacher and then chalk piece and then sticks and then board and then bench, table, everything will be there. Okay, bags, everything will be there. That is an class contained. Okay, that much of concepts, events, methods contained into the class. Okay, so that is the class. See in this class contain that two function. Okay, for example this is student, this is chalk piece, like that means this function I am called to like this method. Okay, so we can possible to pass that class value to that this type of method. Okay, I think you understood. Okay, so without this function, without this indirectly we can call this first function by using this same function, indirect. Okay, this is direct method. First I am showing you direct method, and this is indirect method. Okay, like this indirect method, direct method we can use that we can use in this class by using this method. Okay, so this is that class. Okay, I am tell about this class, and then next tutorial, next video I am tell about this object, and then inheritance interface, and then multiple inheritance, polymorphism, abstracts, everything I am tell about this next future video. Okay, see, for example, I am also here one thing I am declare here text box. Okay, text box I am declare. See, first of all I am going to design the text box. See, here also one text box will be there. Text box. This text box I am drag and drop here, and then Control C, Control V. See these two text box here. Okay, these two text box, and then third one here. Okay, this one and this one we should plus. Okay, Control C and Control V. Just I am declare here. Here I am declaring that text name I am changing here. Control A. Plus. Okay, so these two text box of addition value, okay, these two text box I added, and then we get that result also like this. Okay, Control S. Okay, this is text box 2, this is text box 1. Okay, 1 and 2. So just I am going to declare here. See here I am declare text box this time going to declare here using system dot data. Okay, this is basics for that header file. So now I am going to declare here it will be okay, text box I am tell about in next concept in next video. Okay, this concept I am tell about this next video. Okay, know that what is that you are I think you are understood how to call that class, and then how to function of this class, how to call to this here. Okay, like this, the first class and second class, and then what is that public and private integer, and then what is that static and then void. Everything I think understood in this video. Okay, I'll tell about this OOPS concept step by step in next video. I'm not confused like this. Okay, everything step by step clearly I will tell to you. Okay, I think I understood. I hope you you are understood. Okay, I think hope you are understood. If you are like this video, just subscribe me, and then for future video, and then you are like this, just share it to learn many more persons. Okay, so just I will teach next concept in next video. Thank you. Bye from now.